Hey everyone, this is Sajjad Chehrazi and I hope you're feeling just great. So how can you find the passwords of the Wi-Fi that we've been connected to before using terminal? So let me open up my terminal. Let me zoom it a little more. And as you may already know, all the configuration files in Linux are under the etc directory. We can go to etc and then to network manager, then to system connections. And if I use ls command, we can see all the Wi-Fi profiles listed here that I've been connected to before. I don't know, if I want to get a password of this specific SSID, I can use sudo cat and give it this file, typing my password. And we can see the password here. PSK or pre-shared key is the password of this specific SSID. So you can see that it's really easy to get a password of the Wi-Fi that you've been connected to before using the terminal. If you like this kind of content and tutorials, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and I hope to see you in the next videos.